Hello, everyone. My name is Zakian Nafis NPM 244110007. From the Management Study Program here, I will explain the material on management evolution. Understanding management evolution, namely the product of history, social circumstances of the scene, in the sense of how humans engage with relationship problems at certain periods in history. And we can learn from the trials and errors of those who have gone before us in controlling the fate of organizations. The evolution of management is divided into 6 theories including 1. Scientific management stream 2. Classical organizational theory 3. Flow of behavior 4. Management science 5. Systems approach 6. Contingency approach 1. Scientific management theory. This arises in part from the need to increase productivity, especially in the United States, where skilled labor is very present. The only way to increase productivity is to increase the efficiency of workers. Who are the scientists involved in the scientific management stream, including 1. Frederick W. Taylor, 1856 to 1915, 2. Henry L. Gantt, 1861 to 1919, 3. Frank and Lillian Gilbert, 1868 to 1924 and 1878 to 1972. 1. According to Frederick W. Taylor, his philosophy is based on 4 basic principles. 1. The development of true scientific management, determining the best method for carrying out each task can be determined. 2. Scientific selection of workers, so that each worker will be given the responsibility to carry out the tasks best suited to him. 3. Education and scientific development of workers. 4. Friendly and personal cooperation between management and manure workers. 2. According to Henry L. Gantt. 1. Evolution, namely abandoning a different tariff system because it is considered too small to have a motivational impact. 2. Every worker who successfully completes the tasks assigned to him in a day will receive a bonus of 50 cents. 3. Each supervisor will receive an additional bonus if all workers reach these standards. 3. Gantt also pioneered a recording system with charts for production schedules, Gantt chart. 3. According to Frank and Lillian Gilbert. 1. Namely a collaboration in studying fatigue and movement and focusing on various ways to promote the well-being of individual workers. 2. Movement and fatigue are interrelated. Any movement removed will reduce fatigue. 3. They try to find economical movements for each task with the aim of increasing performance and reducing fatigue. The scientists associated with the classical organization theory school are 1. Henry Fayol, 1841 to 1925. 2. Max Weber, 1864 to 1920. 3. Mary Parker Follett, 1868 to 1933. 4. Chester I. Barnard, 1886 to 1861. 1. According to Henry Fayol. Fayol argued that sound management practices have certain patterns that can be identified and analyzed. And there are 14 management principles according to Henry Fayol, including 1. Division of tasks. 2. Manager's authority. 3. Discipline. 4. Unity of command. 5. Unity in direction. 6. Individual interests are subordinate to public interests. 8. Centralization. 7. Rewards. 9. Hierarchy. 10. Arrangement. 11. Justice. 12. Staff stability. 13. Initiative. 14. Core spirit. 2. According to Max Weber, management is something that emphasizes the need to be strictly defined to regulate rules and authority clearly. 3. According to Mary Parker Follett, management is the art of doing work through people / the art of getting work done through other people. 4. According to Chester I. Barnard, a company can operate efficiently and survive only if the organization's goals are balanced with the goals and needs of the individuals who work for the company. Next is the flow of human relations, and the following are several scientists involved in this relationship: Elton Mayo and Abraham Maslow. 1. According to Elton Mayo, employees will work harder if they believe management cares about their well-being and supervisors pay special attention to them. 2. According to Abraham Maslow, Namely, Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory explains that humans must fulfill their lowest needs first before rising to a higher level, until they can actualize themselves. In other words, humans will not be able to achieve the highest needs without solving the lowest needs. For example, the need for clothing and food. So, basically humans will first fulfill their needs for food and clothing to live before moving up to a higher level of needs, for example the needs for security, health, and so on. 4. Management Science Stream. According to Robert McNamara, 1960s, this is an approach to management problems using mathematical techniques to create models, analyze, and solve them. 5. Systems approach. Namely, when management views the organization as a single unit, a system with objectives consisting of interrelated parts. 6. Contingency approach. Also called the situational approach, which means the view that the management techniques that best contribute to achieving organizational goals may vary in different situations or environments. Why companies use open systems? That's because the benefits of using an open system include this shortens development time and time to market. As a result, this can reduce the ongoing costs of supporting and maintaining the system because the provider does not need to be responsible for every component of the system. How organizations work with open systems. In an open system organization, these system elements continuously interact with their environment. The information obtained from this interaction, input, is then processed through a transformation process to produce a product, output, which is then transferred to the environment. Thank you for watching my video. That's the explanation of my video regarding management evolution material, along with theories related to explanations from a scientist. See you in the next video.